Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to create your account with OfficeIQ Studio and explore its dashboard. In this video, we will learn how to create a website with OfficeIQ Studio in just 10 minutes. So, let's begin. This is the dashboard of OfficeIQ Studio. Here is the Create New Site button. Click on it. Choose your website type. I will go for landing page. Select your primary color and secondary color that suits your brand. Select the main font and heading font. Then you can also add additional features like a lead generation form. Just enter your email ID. You can also enable WhatsApp support. Just enter your WhatsApp number. Click on next step. Here you have to enter the prompt describing your business and then click on enter. Wait for few minutes while your website is being created. Your website is ready. Click on preview to see how it looks. So here's your site on a laptop view, clean and professional. You can also see how it looks on a tablet. It is neat and fully responsive. Then here's the mobile view, perfectly optimized for smaller screens. If you want to make any changes to your site, just click on the edit button. To update any text, select the section you want to change. You can either edit it directly or use the AI assistant. If you want to change any image, you can go to the media section to search for one or simply upload an image from your own device. Once you have made all your changes, click on Save Changes. And that's it. Your single page website is now ready. In the next video, we will learn how to publish your website and once it's live, how to manage its performance using OfficeIQ Studio's dashboard. See you in the next tutorial.